So, we all know that websites live and die by speed. And nothing slows down a site more than heavy, unoptimized images. That's why image optimization is so important. Smaller, optimized images mean faster load times, better SEO, and happier visitors. But here's the problem. Traditional image optimizers either hog your service resources because they're converting files in the background, or they ship your files off to some external service before you finally get an optimized image back. Either way, it slows you down. It slows your visitors down, and it's completely unnecessary. That's where Cimo is different. With Cimo, images are optimized and converted to next-gen formats instantly, the second you upload them, before they even touch your media library. It actually feels like magic. When you are inside any page builder or inside your block editor, when you're just about to pick an image, drag in a large image file, and what drops into your media library is an image that's already optimized, already lightweight, and already ready to use. No server strain, no external services, no queuing, just faster uploads, faster websites, and a smoother workflow. Install Cimo today and make slow image conversions a thing of the past.